Well, if you don't know what gluttony is overeating, becoming fat, overweight, obese. In that category, you pick one. Either the shaming one or the medical one. So when you subdue yourself to gluttony, it's not just about you overeating, it is about you putting the wrong foods into your body. Putting the wrong food in your body, it messes with your engine. When you mess up your engine, you can't think correctly. When you can't think correctly, that means the devil comes after you even stronger. Because he knows there's different ways for him to get to you. I'm trying to tell you. That's why he can't even rock with me. My mind is straight. My health is on point. I pull up on these bars, ain't just getting pull-ups. It's pushing away the devil. Oh, let's get another. Woo! Yeah, switch up the game, man. Let's go again. Five, 4, 3, 2. Let's get it. Looking good. We're gonna go again. 5, 4, 3, 2. Ah. Ah. Yeah, that's how you do it. It's real pain right here. That's why I do these lives. And I edit it out, you see all the pain. So, you see doing these pull-ups. I try my best doing pull-ups and chin-ups, not having you gripping a bar like this. Because it all depends on what you want to do. My fundamentals are, I've got to a stage where my grip is amazing. My forearms are really strong, so easily. I can go deadlift. When I was deadlift, I could pick up about 4 or some change, because, and not because my back was strong, because my grip is good. Boom, hold your grip, so we ain't worried about that. But when you do like this, you rely a lot on your forearms and your biceps when you grip it so hard. So instead, I put a thumb over, while I'm just gripping on these 4 fingers. What that does is they hold as anchors. All I do is hold these anchors. Instead of squeezing, do it yourself. You have a squeeze and it's half here, it's 2 different things. You can feel it in your forearm muscles. So these are hooks. These just hooks, and I'm pulling with my back. So now I'm using a lot of my energy, my muscle, just to feed your back. That's why a lot of you guys are not growing up at, because you're not doing pull-ups in the correct manner. You're gripping too hard, and you're worrying too much about getting your neck over the bars. And you're losing the fundamentals of you're doing these pull-ups because you want to activate a certain muscle so they can grow. So you put in a mindset where it doesn't matter if I come here, if I come here, if I come here, as long as I'm putting all my mental stability, if that's right. You want to put that right, or your mind and muscle connection, whatever you want to say. You want to put that right where your back is. So all I'm thinking about, these are hooks. They're out of my mind. This is out of my mind. All I'm thinking about is squeezing, up, squeezing. All I care about is the back. Not that you can't grow your back, it's just that you don't know how to properly exercise your back. Write these tips down, man. Let's go and we had enough break. Let's go and run again.